video, we're going to review these 2-pack that is a 2-tier under sink organizers that I got sent out for review. This is an upgraded version, okay? It comes with a sliding pull-out cabinet, and this is perfect for the under sink storage, and these are made of metal. It comes with the bottom drawer that you can use. You can use this on a kitchen or a bathroom, on a pantry or a closet for organization. So this is everything that it includes in the box. You can see that it also includes the screws for you to install it and adjust it however you like. Okay, so we are putting together the screws. Here is the installation process. It includes everything you need to install it. These will make these drawers more sturdy and more stable, okay? So this is how you will be putting everything together. We are following the manual of instructions right here, and these will go here at the bottom of the basket, okay? So also it includes the top basket, which is a little bit smaller, and the back part will be installed at the end, so you can actually have like a stopper for the drawers when you are using them, okay? And the drawers don't go all the way back. Okay, so at the bottom you have these suction cups that you will be using, so it will be attached to the cabinet. And it also includes these sheets that you will be using to avoid that the things for coverage and to avoid that your products go under the baskets. So this way we are organizing our cabinet, and as you can see, we have a lot of more space, and we can see everything we have this way using both shelves, the bottom and the top. And this is a much sturdier under cabinet organizer. I love how it looks. This new style is really, really great. Besides, it has these like wood maiden detail on the drawers, which I like.